this is week 4 of intermediate level 1 at the Salsa with Sylvia dance studio. We're following the syllabus for our 4-week series. So once again, during your class, your instructors will always start with a footwork warm-up, and then they will teach the core material and they'll combine it with other variations of moves that you have learned. In the video, we're focusing on only the core material that belongs to this week. All right, so we're gonna start with a footwork warm-up. And we're gonna do it with music. I'm gonna call the steps. You should know these steps, so I want you to come with us. I will do the followers' footwork, and Mario will do the leader's footwork. 5, 6, 7, 1. 5, 6, 7, 1. Susie Q. One more time. Basic step. Right turn for the lead, for the follower. Basic. One more right turn. 1, 5, 6, 7 for the lead, for the follower. Basic. Broken left turn for the lead first. 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, basic, 5, 6, 7, simple, single crossover step. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, basic step. 1, 5, 6, 7, double Susie Q. And 1 and 2 and 3. 7, 1 and 2 and 5, 6, basic. 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, double crossover. 1 and 2 and 3, 5 and 6 and 7, 1 and 2 and 3, 5, basic step. 1, forward slide, backward slide. Here we go, one more time, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, back. Let's try that one more time. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, basic step. And that's your warm-up. All right, let's do some partnering work. So this was just a review of all the footwork that we've done so far during all the levels that we've covered in these videos. And now we're going to put all the moves that we learned in intermediate level 1 together into one pattern. So we're going to start with a basic step followed by the wrap. 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, inside turn. After that, we're going to do the hammerlock outside crossbody lead. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. After that, we do the right turn for the lead. Behind his back. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 to switch positions. 5, 6, 7, followed by outside crossbody lead with a double turn. And finally, we're going to do the shoulder check. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, so that looks like a long string of moves. And again, this is just a combination of everything that we learned in this level. And it's just to kind of give you an idea how you can string all these moves together, because leads, for you, it's important to build that vocabulary and to have that very solid foundation so that when you go out on the social dance floor, you don't have to think so hard about the next move. So you want to practice more and more variations, and they will just eventually come naturally to you. All right, so you can just come with us with the music. I'm going to try to call the moves ahead of time so you can be ready, and then rewind the video and do it again and again and again, and just keep practicing. All right, let's put this all together. 5, 6, 7. 1, starting with the wrap. Outside crossbody hammerlock. Right turn behind his back. Outside crossbody lead with a double turn. Shoulder check. I'm going to repeat everything one more time. Starting with the wrap. Outside crossbody with a hammerlock. Right turn behind his back. Outside crossbody lead with a double turn. And shoulder check. And that's it. Thank you everybody for watching. This was Intermediate Salsa Level 1, Week 4, the final week of the 4-week series. And we are going to be moving towards Intermediate Level 2 with the next video. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and visit our website www.salsawithsilvia.com for more information about our classes. This is Mario. I'm Sylvia, and we'll see you next time.